It is time for a cleanse. This is a 5-day cleanse that you can do any time of the year. It is a gut reset and a cleanse of your physical, mental, and spiritual body. It is super simple. So what you get, 5 days, a menu planner with a grocery list, how to do meal prep, and the recipes. It's about living food, or as close to living, which means no refined sugar, no flour, no alcohol, minimal dairy, so we need some eggs and some protein. And if we're going to use cheeses, softer cheeses are better from an Ayurvedic perspective. And every day, so you get a download guide that has your daily prayer, intention, and right action. You'll have 5 days of this specific breath work and guided meditation and a mandala practice, which cleanses all your chakras and your energetic field. 5 days, do this, reset your body and restore your energy. Okay, it's $25. Can't ask for any more. I'll see ya. Bye.